Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Learn English Clearly. I'm Alex.
And I'm Grace. So happy you're here today.
Guys, today we're talking about something really important. Your daily habits. Because small things you do every day, they quietly change your whole life and your English too.
Yes, the way you wake up, the way you spend your afternoon, the way you finish your day, it all matters. So, quick question for you right now. What's the first thing you do when you open your eyes in the morning? Do you check your phone? Or maybe something better? Tell us in the comments.
I used to grab my phone immediately. Big mistake. I felt stressed before I even got out of bed.
Same here. Now I do something much nicer. I open the window, take a few deep breaths, and say one positive sentence in English, like, "Today is going to be a great day." It sounds simple, but wow, it really changes your mood.
Love that. And guess what? It's also perfect English practice. So let's learn some easy, natural phrases you can use to talk about your morning.
Ready? Here we go. I wake up at 7 and feel good. I take a quick shower to wake up my body. I drink a big glass of water. It makes me feel fresh. I'm always in a hurry, so I prepare my clothes the night before.
Nice ones. Which one do you like the most? Or do you have your own morning habit? Write it in the comments in English, even if it's short. We love reading them.
Okay, what about the afternoon? After lunch, do you ever feel sleepy?
Oh yes, around 2 or 3 o'clock. Boom, energy gone.
Me too. Now I stand up, stretch a little, and drink some water or tea. I take a short break to recharge my batteries. That's a very useful expression. Recharge my batteries means get energy back.
Another good one. I check my to-do list to stay on track. And here's a super tip for your English. While you work or clean or cook, talk to yourself in English. Say things like, "Now I'm washing the dishes. Next, I'm going to answer some messages." It feels funny at first, but it helps you think in English naturally.
And don't worry about mistakes. Just keep talking. That's how you improve fast.
Now let's talk about evenings. This is my favorite part of the day. Everything slows down, finally.
Yes. For me, evening means cooking something easy, putting on soft music, and writing 3 things I'm thankful for. Like, I'm thankful for my family. I'm thankful I learned a new English word today. I'm thankful for this cozy bed. It makes me feel happy before I sleep.
Beautiful, some easy evening phrases you can use. I wind down by watching a short video. I take an evening walk to clear my mind. I try to have an early night so I feel good tomorrow. I review my day and think, what went well today?
One of our viewers, Maria from Brazil, started saying 5 new English sentences every night. After 3 months, she said, "Wow, I speak much more easily now. Small habit, big result."
That's the magic. You don't need to study 3 hours a day. Just tiny steps every single day.
So here's your challenge today. Choose one small English habit to start tonight. Maybe say 3 new sentences before you sleep. Describe your day out loud for 1 minute. Listen to one English song while you relax.
Write your choice in the comments. Your idea might help someone else start today.
Thank you so much for spending this time with us. If you enjoyed this episode, please give it a like, share it with a friend who's learning English, and subscribe so you don't miss the next one.
Remember, you don't need to be perfect. You just need to keep going.
One small step today becomes a big change tomorrow.
See you next time. Keep speaking, keep growing, keep shining. Bye for now.